What's up, everyone? It's your boy Giovanni, the G35 fan, back at it again with another video on the channel. So on today's video, guys, I'm gonna be installing my spoiler for the trunk. So I'm really excited about that because I've been wanting to do it for a long time now. Well, before I even start this video, let's go back to everything that I did to get to this point. So without further ado, like always, man, been talking too much, so let's get this video started. Right now I'm heading to FedEx. That spoiler that I attempted to paint and did a horrible job. I'm gonna end up having my buddy Forever G35, who specializes in doing paint jobs. I got with him and he said, man, just send that thing out to me and I'll fix it up. So right now I'm off to FedEx. As you can see, the spoilers back there in the back. I haven't really did nothing with it as far as the painting on it. Yeah, I just neglected it and put it in the garage, and I really haven't touched it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this fixed. So right now I'm gonna get it packaged up and sent out to him, and then he's gonna fix it up for me, and then we'll be able to finally install it and get one more step closer to completing the whole exterior look on the G35. So I'm really excited about that. But yeah, right now I'm on my way to go get that taken care of, and then we're gonna get something to eat. So yeah, let's do that. As you can see, I don't have the spoiler in the car anymore because I ended up just going with UPS to go ahead and ship the spoiler. Unfortunately, it was still kind of pricey. Yeah, I spent like $74 right now. Yeah, so the next time you see me, if I have a black eye or something, it's because my fiance found out and beat the crap out of me. But for the most part, I did get a tracking number, so he should get the item. They said around 5 business days. So yeah, probably by Thursday, because today's Saturday. So Thursday he should get it, and then he can do his magic, fix it up, and then hopefully sooner than later I'll be able to get the spoiler back and I can finally install it and everything will be good. So the next time you see this video, I'll be getting the package and we'll be seeing what the spoiler looks like. So now that I got that out of the way, guys, showing y'all the process and everything it took to get this shipped and all that, I'm really excited to get it back. My friend Forever G35, like I said, painted everything. He actually made a little video and gave me his opinion on how I did as far as the painting part. So let's check that out right now.
What's going on, you guys, man? My name is Scott, man. I'm the creator and the maker of the YouTube channel Forever G35. I'm building a clean, crazy drift show car, man. It's a 2004 G35 Coupe, man. But this is not about me, man. This is about the homie Giovanni, the G35 fan. I have been given the opportunity, man, to paint this dude's rear wing for his car. He was having some difficulty, so he shipped it to me. This is this good old California, Northern California weather out here. This is what you've seen behind me. But yeah, man, I got it here. Finally got the paint. We're gonna get to fixing it for him, man. He did not do a bad job at all on this. He was just getting frustrated with it, man. It looked like it needed a little bit of clear coat and it didn't match quite. So we got the right paint for it. We got the clear coat, man. We're gonna take care of that for you, man. Appreciate you, bro. Watch all your videos, man. I'm a big fan. Way before I started YouTubing, bro. You know what I mean? Let's come together, man, and make some stuff happen. Sooner or later, I'll be out there in Vegas, man, to visit you, bro. I mean Vegas, Texas, bruh, Texas. I was talking about Vegas a couple minutes ago. That's why I said that. But Texas, man, we're gonna visit Texas soon.
So thank you, Scott, for that great compliment. Because like I said, my specialty isn't really painting. So when you say I didn't do that bad of a job, that's pretty cool right there. So I'm really excited to open this up and see how it is. Because like I had said, he's a professional at what he does. So check out his channel, man. He does a lot of painting, and he also has a G35 as well. So let's pull this out. Hopefully I can do it with one hand. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so that's the spoiler right there. Look at that, man. Sheesh, looks clean. The paint match is on point. Nice and shiny and glossy. Looks way better than my trunk, because my trunk's starting to fade away, man. You know how this G35 paint is. But yeah, it looks good. I'm really excited to put this on because I haven't seen this spoiler on a G35, so that's what it's gonna look like. But yeah, I'm excited to put it on. So let's put this spoiler on and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so that's pretty much what it looks like. Not that bad, guys. I really like the way it looks. It like I mentioned in the video when I tried to attempt to paint it, I like this spoiler because it goes with the the curves of the G35. So like right here you have this little curve, and well, it kind of does that same curve. I can see it right here, like it continues from the tail light to the spoiler, and then comes back and curves perfectly. So like the line fitment is pretty good, and then right here it stops it right there, so it goes butted up against the trunk. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, for the most part, man, like the way it came out. Looks pretty good. Let's see. Let me know if y'all like that double spoiler, the one for the trunk and then the one for the back window. Alright, cool. So like always, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, do me a favor, put that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet already. I'm one step closer to finishing the first stage of the exterior look on the G, so that should be pretty dope. But other than that, guys, like always, man, it's your boy Giovanni. Y'all stay safe out there. Peace.